Hello everybody, and welcome back to my home here in East Tennessee on this gorgeous day in June. It's the first day of June, I can't believe it. I got a box from Michael McCarthy today. He contacted me the other day and he said, hey, I've got a box for you and it's going to be there on Friday. And Michael, it got here on Thursday. It got here a day early. So just wanted to let you know, Michael, I appreciate this so much. When you get a box from Michael McCarthy, yeah, that is kind of a really cool thing. I can't wait to see what is in this box. Michael, I have spent some time wondering what in the world can be in the box. So yeah, so I've got to do this with you all. I went out to the mailbox and much to my surprise, there it was. So yeah, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I am horrible at unpacking boxes, by the way, but once I get started, I can really get into them. Yes. So I am really excited. This was just very kind, Michael. As you all know, with what's been going on, you know, since my little buddy passed away, it's kind of been, I'll just be honest with you, it's kind of been tough. But it's the kindness of people like this that just kind of, I don't know, kind of really makes my heart smile. Amy enclosed her a few plants that I thought might interest you. Oh my goodness, it looks like, Christmas cactus is a variety called Samba Brazil. I know this Christmas cactus. Oh my gosh. Yes, I love that. The Cattleya is an unregistered hybrid. He's been growing it from a flask. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. So, okay, I expect it will look similar to Volcano Trick, but I'm not entirely certain. The large Phalaenopsis, yay, is a nice hybrid, but I cannot get it to bloom. It needs cooler temps, yes. I can get that to spike. I know it looks like it needs a repot, but it only has been in that pot a year. It just makes a whole lot of roots, I understand that. The smaller Phal I bought is a tiny seedling to fill a box, figuring I could send it to someone later. Yes, the African violet is called the Littlest Angel and is a prolific bloomer. Hope all is well with you and that you enjoy the gifts. Michael, oh my goodness, that is just, Michael, that is just so kind. So kind, I cannot wait. I kind of figured there was going to be a Cattleya in here. So let's just kind of go with the smaller one first. Yes, this is Samba Brazil, and I have wanted this. Everybody knows I love Christmas cacti, right? I mean, yeah, I hope that you all are in the, you all can see, okay. But this is going to be oh so cool. I've gotten some really cool Christmas cacti lately. Oh, that's gorgeous. That is gorgeous. Thank you so much. It's just in perfect shape. Yay. Okay, so that is Samba Brazil. Yay. I'm going to set it over here to the side. I am excited to get that. And I'm kind of hoping you all can hear me today because there's a lot going on. I think I'm getting something from UPS as well. Yes, I am. My goodness, today is a big day. I ordered some Tolumnias from Kroll Smith. So that might be, could it be my Tolumnias? Boy, this is going to be a big day and a big orchid day. No, I think he was just turning around my driveway. Okay. All right, here we go. What is this? Ooh, oh my goodness. This is a beautiful African violet. Oh my goodness. Oh my. Okay, look at this. Ha ha ha, it's purple. Thank you, Michael. You know I love purple. I think everybody knows I love purple, right? Everybody in the known universe, yes. Oh my goodness, that's gorgeous. Okay. This was just so kind. This was just so kind. And this blue tape that every grower uses so much. I use blue tape and I use green frog tape all of the time. My favorite things. Even if you're not a handyman, my husband is quite a handyman, or he has become quite a handyman, I should say. But when you're growing plants, this stuff can be used for so many things. Phal, oh my. Oh my, that's a Phal Bellina Ponkan time self. Oh my gosh, I'm kind of like speechless. Oh my. Well. I have been wanting a Phal Bellina for forever. I bet you knew that, didn't you, Michael? Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, this is Christmas. This is orchid Christmas, you all. I got a Phal Bellina. This one is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna just kind of set the box down here. My goodness, it just keeps. I cannot believe that. I cannot believe that. That is amazing. And this has been like packaged expertly, really. Look at this African violet. That's adorable. I don't have anything quite like that. I need to do an African violet update, as a matter of fact. Okie dokie. Here is the one he said was, I believe the large Phal is a nice hybrid, but I can't get it to bloom. Oh, I will be, wow, that has a lot of roots. Wow, oh gosh. Look at the roots. Look at the roots of this Phal. Wow. Let me see if I can get, yeah, I think that the tag has kind of grown into the roots. I can't get it. Oh, there we go. There we go. This is Phalaenopsis. Oh my. GZAAS. I'm not even going to try to say that. Rainbow times Phal, amabilix times Phal, stobartiana. Oh my goodness. Okay, that's, wow. That is gorgeous. And that pot is full of roots. Wow, that is simply amazing. And one more, I'm not kidding with you. I'm kind of a little bit giddy here. Okay, yay. Just the kindness of people. It overwhelms me. You all have just gone above and beyond your all's call of duty, really. Your kind comments, I've gotten cards, I've gotten just orchids. I mean, my goodness. Paula sent me that gorgeous Thanksgiving cactus when she heard what happened. I appreciated that just so much. Oh my goodness, and this cattleya. Look at this cattleya. Yes. Oh my goodness. Well, Michael, just thank you so much. This has really kind of just given me a lot to look forward to. I have sat and just wondered what in the world, and these are like my favorite things, So thank you so much for your kindness. I will be repotting these in you know, new medium. My goodness, I mean, look at this thing. Look at the roots. The roots are just kind of calling out to me on this. Look at all the new roots here. Just a gorgeous cattleya. I love cattleyas, you know. I got Samba Brazil. I can't believe it. I'm very, very happy. I am thrilled with this, Michael. Wow, the Orchid Angels, they just kind of swoop down and they help you out when you are in a time like, you know, it's just, I know you all know. It's just tough to have to say goodbye to little buddy after 13 years. But these plants, Michael, they are special to me. They will hold a very special place in my collection. I will always remember just your kindness, for thinking of me during this time. I appreciate it more than you know. And yeah, and I will probably be getting these in new media today. I've already said that, but man, I'm just kind of sitting here overwhelmed. I can't believe I got a Phal Bellina. That is just the coolest thing. I have been working on, you know, like getting in some summer bloomers, and this is just going to be such a wonderful addition to that. So I appreciate so much. Love the African violet. So you all will be seeing these in my upcoming videos. I just can't wait to get everything all fixed up, and thank you all again. You all are my orchid family. You all have just been super during this time, and I appreciate you more than I can say. And yeah, so before I end the video, just know I appreciate you. I know I keep saying that, but I really do. And before I end the video, I'd love to say the blessing over you, your families, and your plants. May the Lord bless you and keep you. Make His face shine upon you and be gracious to you. May the Lord turn His face towards you and give you His peace. You all take care. We'll talk to you soon. Have a great day.